Everyone, this is Karim. Today I am going to explaining you numerical functions in Power Query in Power BI. When I want to perform any transformation or any operations in my numerical field in my table, in Power BI we have multiple or different type of numerical m functions available. Without using that numerical m function, I need to perform some operations. With single button click, it will possible in Power BI. In Power BI and Power Query window, we have one option or one section available to perform numerical calculation point of view. We have numerical transformation tool section. So in this section, the number related whatever options, whatever transformation, whatever operations, it will possible to perform. Using this particular option, we can achieve few transformation things. In Power BI, on the numerical fields, we can able to perform different types of transformations like statistics, standard, scientific, trigonometry, rounding and information. The specific section is available in Power Query window, especially in transformation or add column section. We have this number column section. Also we are seeing a numerical transformation tools. Using few options, we are able to achieve, we can able to perform some transformation with single button click. I will show you detailedly in practical section how to we can perform some transformation without writing any code or any expression. I am moving to transformation window or Power Query window. I have two tables, sales table and round table. I am going to performing some transformation in these tables. In sales table, I have product name, sales, quantity, discount and profit. First, I want to convert this one all into the number format. I will explain you detailedly how to we can perform any operation, any transformation without writing any M code for specific number field. First we need to choose the specific number field. After that, these few options automatically it will be enabled. Suppose let us assume I am keeping my cursor or I'm selected the test column. Then we have test column section only available to perform some transformation. In last section, I already explained you, explained about test functions without writing any code. Please refer old video. In that video, detailed discussion is happening. Now, when I am moving my section or when I'm moving my section or my cursor keeping in value or number field, automatically the number or numeric transformation tool section options all available to perform some operation. I will show you. In statistics we have few functions it will possible to perform. Summing of that number, minimum of that number, maximum of the number, or median of the number, average of the particular column, and standard deviations, and count values, and count distant value. In statistics, we have this all option. These all transformations or operations is possible to perform in your numerical field. In standards, it will possible to perform add operation, multiplication operation, subtraction, divide, integer divide, modulo, and percentage of. And scientific, it will possible to perform absolute value, power. In the power we have subsection, square, cube, and power, and square root, exponent, and logarithm, and base 10, and natural, and factorial. And trigonometry section we have sine, cos, tan, arsine, cosine, and arctan. And I have another option in rounding. We have round up, round down, and round. And last and Informatica section we have is even, is odd, and sign. So in this total 6 section we have different options available. We will discuss detailed options, each and every option with practically we can see how it will work. When I want to perform, I want to count how many rows of data or how many rows available in the specific column. Then you can go and select the count of the values. Then it will be show you there is 8 rows available in that particular column. That is with one single button click we got that info. Now I want to in this particular statistics is the distant count is there. What is use of that one? The count and distant count will be applicable for test field, but at the same time it will possible to perform the numerical field also. When I am using distant count for the specific column, then whatever numbers are repeated happen, that will be when the specific value 2 times it will come, it will consider as the 1 time only, because it won't allow the duplicates. So we can see that actually this is the 8 rows data. When I am using distant count value, then how much value it will come, because in this column I have 2000 is there, it repeated 2 times. So as per my knowledge it will be showing you 7. So distant count, it won't calculate the duplicate value. Then I want to perform other operation in my numerical field is sum. I want to calculate total sum of the sales or total sales of the particular column. Then you can choose sum. It's giving you total sum of the sales. at a total sales of sum. And also it will possible to other transformation, other operation is minimum. In the sales table or sales column or in the numerical column, which one is the minimum sale? Then you can use the minimum option. These all single button clicks. You are not written any code. Directly it's performing some transformation. Then I'm using minimum option. It will be displaying a 280 is the minimum sales in this particular business. Then I want to perform maximum sales. Then what is the maximum sale here? Is that 10,000 is the maximum sales, then it will be visible 10,000. And other option is to perform average median value, then it will be show you the median value. Now I want to do the average sales of the particular business, then you can choose average option. It's giving you average sales of your business. And I want to perform the standard deviation. Then you can click standard deviation. It is the standard deviation value also. It will be visible for you. Now I want to perform count or distant count. Then it already it's giving 8 is the row count, and distant count is it's displaying a 7 because 2000 is second time it's also repeated. But maximum we are not going to using in the numerical field distant count. Next is the standard section. Here I want to add, or I want to multiply, I want to subtract, I want to divide, I want to integer divide, I want to modulo, I want to perform some percentage, I want to perform some percentage of in my table. Then you can achieve, you can choose 2 columns, then or you want to perform any operations like that. You want to choose adding of these 2 numbers, then you can perform add. It's the adding of the sales and quantity numbers. Then I want to perform add operation in my table. Suppose let us assume I have one sales column. In my sales column I am going to adding another 1000, the specific number I want, I'm going to adding 1000 additional number for that entire field. Then you can choose, you can enter the how much number you want to add existing sales. Then you can click OK. It will be adding the specific 1000 into existing value, field value. Now I want to multiply that particular column into 2. That means the column into 2 also will be performed. Now I want to perform any subtraction. Then I want to remove 100,000 rupees. Then you can click OK. It will be subtracting the value. I want to perform in divide. So divided by 3. Then it will be perform the division of the number divided by 3. Now I want to perform integer div. Then you can use 10. Then you can perform that one, it will be give you integer value. Now I want to perform modulo, then you can use 2, then modulo 2, it will be giving you 0 at the specific value. Now I want to perform percentage. I want to perform some percentage, then you can choose percentage of 10, then it will be give you percentage value. The percentage value means the number divided by. So I want to perform the percent of, the 10% of, then it will be give you the exact percentage of the particular sales. So in this particular column, I want to perform any standard operation, it will possible to perform. I want to add 2 fields or 2 columns, then you need to move to add column, an option is there. Here you can use sales and this quantity and discount. I want to perform multiplication, then it will multiply and it will be give you separate column. So when you want to do 2 or 3 columns or subtraction, adding or subtraction, then you can go to add column and option, you can perform. In add column and option also we have numerical or number function related stuff. Okay, then I want to perform some scientific operations. Then absolute value, I want to see the absolute value for the specific column, then you can select, it will be give you absolute value, means it's the exact value. I want to perform some power, square root, then it will be give you the square root of the specific number. Now I want to perform some cube, means into cube, it's a more number, it will be cube manner, it will come. Now I want to perform some exponent, then it will be giving you infinity value. Now I want to perform some logarithmic value, natural value or base 10 value, you can do it, it will be give you the base 10 value. And I want to perform any natural value, then it will be give you natural percentage value. Now I want to do in the factorial, then it will be give you the factorial of that one. So in the same column, in number column, I want to perform some trigonometric options, then I want to see the sign of the particular cell, it will be give you sign value. I want to perform in tan or cos, then it will be cos value, it will be visible, it will transfer it or it will perform some operation. And the tangular also, it will be give you tan value. And also I want to perform other option, oxin, then it will be give you that option. And I want to perform any informatic or information related stuff. The specific number is even or not, then you can choose. If is even, then it will be give you true or false. When the number is even, that means it will be give you true false value. When the number, I want that specific number is odd, then you can choose is odd, then it will be give you wherever odd number is there, that particular place it will be showing you true, rest of all in false. Then sign also, it will possible to, there's the positive or negative, then it will be give you the correct output. Then I'm going to show you another table is the round table, because I'm going to performing some rounding operations in the my specific value column or the numerical column. Then I have to do the round of the specific number. Suppose in 14.9 or 14.93 or different numbers are there. When I'm doing rounding, it will be give you when the number is the dot after decimal number will be initiated 5.53 or something which will be there. It will be considered as the highest number. So let us assume in the 14.9 that rounding of this number it will be give you 15. In 15.05 it will be give you only 15 because after decimal the value is below 5. Let us assume here another option 15.53 or 15.62. It will automatically be considered as the round of this number. It will be give you 60. So now round up. What is round up? When that number 14.9 or then when you are using round up, then it will be considered as the 15. Is it only for this number? No, when you can take here also 15.02, it will, when you are applying round up, it will be considered as, it will give you as a 60 is the round up value. So highest value it will be considered. The decimal smaller now. When you are using round down, when 14.9 you are applying in round down, it will be give you 14 is the result of that particular output. Round down function output. So I will show you how to, when I am using round option, round off 2 decimal, then it will be give you the round number. Now I want to perform round of 0. Then it will be give you 15 number. Because I don't want to see, I want round of number only, no need for decimal. When you want to see the number in decimal, then you can click on that how many decimal need to round. That will be happen in the round function. I want to perform round up, then it will be giving highest value of that specific. It may be decimal number is the smaller or they don't want the after decimal some number is there, it will be considered as the highest value is the round up. Now I want to performing round down, then it will be give you lowest value of the specific number. So these are few important options are available in our numerical column section. With the help of this one, we already performed some transformation and some operations in my Power Query and Power BI engine. So with the help of single button click, you can achieve your transformations, or you are performing some transformation and some operations in your numerical column. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click like.